Okie dokie. So let's do this real quick. Let me first tell you about the what the quest consists about. So it's an idea. So that's literally just the idea. The quest name that might show up if like it starts in game. This will show up. Don't worry about this. This is invisible for other people. And the priority. This is how high, literally how high the priority goes. It all speaks for itself, honestly. So, let me make you an idea. So you follow with me. Let's see. ABC01. This will be your extension, and then quest start game. Okay. Quest name. Equips armor, because that's what we want to do. Priority, let's just dunk it up to 100 because we really want this follower or NPC to equip the armor, don't we? No events. We need to do quest start game enabled. That's very important, or else it won't work. Run once, so it won't repeat and cause script lag. That's okay. We're gonna click OK. There we go. We got it. That's nice. We're almost done already. Quest stages. Let's see what I got here. 0. Well, let's put a 0 here. And log entry. Equips the armor. Very nice. This will equip the armor. Okay, you follow with me now. This is very weird, but it will make sense later. Okay, you know the winky face from the smiley? You delete the mouth and compile. This will make a script extension, so we can fill in some properties. You'll get it later. It's some difficult words, of course. You close the quest with OK, because it needs to think a little bit. There we go. We click on properties. And then we click on add property. Type. Let's see. Actor. We got the actor. And let's just say follower. Because this will be your NPC or follower. Great. Follower. Let's just say blah blah blah. Let's say the player will do it. But you need to pick your reference. So make sure you can open the render window and click on your NPC in there. Wait, let me do that for you real quick. Let's search where Satchel is. This way you will find a very nice tip too. Okay, so what I did, I'll do it slower. I used the info, and this shows everywhere where Satchel is mentioned, her idea. And used in these cells, we double click and then we literally pop right in front of her. It's very handy. There we go. It needs to load a little bit, don't worry. Okie dokie. Ta-da! There we go, this is Satchel. Here we go, here's the quest again. So now we can pick reference from render window. Doot. Double click, I guess. And here we go. Now we have Satchel. Yeah. Okay, that's one done. We need the actor and also the armor. Here we go. Let's just say this can be anything you want. You can put blah blah. It doesn't matter. But to make it easy, let's just say armor iron. We make sure that that's good. Okie dokie. Okay, you need to double check this, because if there's a pencil, that means it's good. The property has been filled. That means the script knows what we are talking about. So follower, oh, okay, this is Satchel now. Armor iron. Bro, I don't know what this is. Could you please tell me what this is? Okay, so we will edit the value. And now you can choose every armor in the game. You can choose the custom armors you have. Here you go. Or you can choose literally anything. So let's just say armor iron. This can be done one by one, by the way. This needs to be done one by one. I mean, I'm sorry, because the chest plate and the boots and the helmet, everything is in parts. So, I can show you how to do that too. Armor, iron helmet, I guess. Armor, iron helmet. There we go. So now, oh, oopsie, I did it in the wrong one. Armor, armor, iron, please. Armor, hello. Armor, iron. Here we go. It's not the literal. You know what? Fuck it. Here we go. The normal fucking iron one. Okay. Iron helmet. Iron. Oopsie. Armor, iron helmet. There we go. So now the fucking script knows. Okay, this is what we're talking about. That's great. Thank you very much. We click on OK. And now you double check what the properties are named. So Satchel is named follower. And armor iron, like armor iron. Okay, follower armor iron, we got it. And now we fill in follower dot equip item. This will say like, okay, this needs to be done for Satchel. Okay, there we go. Dot equip item. So that's what we want to do. Now we put brackets, and inside those brackets we will say iron armor. There we go. Let's click compile and hope for the best. What failed? Armor iron, not iron armor. I'm a fucking idiot. Don't mind me. There we go. Compile. Nothing showed up. That's very based. Okay. Let's double check the data to see if I missed anything. I think I missed that it's a startup stage. Very nice. Startup stage. Yes. So this will fucking trigger no matter what. That's good. It's a very good one. Utility weight. You don't have to do anything for this. Let's just say utility weight 0.5. Because that will make the script wait for 5 fucking seconds, whatever the fuck. Okay, let's make a new stage because we want this to end. Because if it doesn't end, it'll just cause lag and bloat in someone's save, and it'll be very annoying. And just no. Do we go there? Do we go there? Hello? Where did the stage go? Where did the quest go? It got hidden. Great. Set stage. So, after you've done utility weight, you also need hello. Okay. Set stage 10. What this does is go from 0 all the way to 10. This is how you progress a quest too. In normal scripts you need to do like quest dot set stage, but because this is in literally like a quest script, like a stage script, we don't have to do that. Okay, so we've jumped to 10. What the hell do you want me to do here? Shut down stage. Stops the quest. Stop. Complete quest. Hatsiki day. There we go. Okay. Double check if that's literally what I did there too. Shut down stage. Stops the quest. Okay, we don't need that. Like, oh yeah, never mind, because that's what shows up on the fucking screen. It's all like, okay. That's all bells and whistles that we don't need. Because this is invisible. This won't show up in like people's games. Great. Double check. Everything looks good. And that's it. We've done it. We've made a quest that starts in-game, that is invisible, and does something very handy. If you have any more questions, feel free to talk to me. Very nice. Bye-bye.